Hi everyone! It's hard to believe we're already at week 12, almost to the end of the semester, and we're going to start our last unit, which is talking about plays and drama. So for this week, you have some reading assignments to do about reading drama and approaching it, as well as a quiz to go along with it. And then we're going to read a play in your book. It's called Trifles. So make sure you check that out. It's very short, so if it's worth reading it twice, maybe take a look at it two times. I know when I first read it, I read it a few times to really grasp kind of all of the symbolism and the tone and the meaning behind it. Then we're going to have a discussion. This week it's one of those discussions where I have multiple questions and we'll all sort of try to develop an answer to the question as well as asking other questions along the way if that seems important. And then lastly, you're going to submit your revised draft. So sometime this week I'm going to give you feedback on your drafts, and then at this point you can revise, take a look at the rubric, and submit for a grade, and this is worth 100 points, so do your best. So not too much this week going on, just a few things, and I want you to really dive into those and do your best work. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Have a good one.